Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trade is for Thursday, January the 13th, 2022. So if I'm not looking at you as I'm going through this, I'm looking at my other screens up here, so don't mind that. So let's get into it. Here's my margin account, real live account. Come over here. It was to say partially delayed data. It's not. I got real-time feeds. So stock is real-time NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and Amex. Excuse me there. And then we got equity options is real-time futures and futures options. I don't trade it, so I don't need the feeds for it. You'll see that right there. That's all off. Forex is real time, others in real time. So you see real live margin account right there. So first trade that we took, it was Vine. Vine had a little bit of a tear yesterday. And what do we always do? Well, we always draw the box. So when we draw the box, when the stock opens up, if it opens up below the box, we know that we're going to go short. If it opens up above the box, we know we're going to go long, right? So what did we do? Well, Vine, what did Vine do? Vine, right here, here's the box. Vine opened up below the box, and as you can see here, it just sputtered. Yesterday, it was doing great, and then today, it just tanked. Because this is one of those stocks that didn't have a continuation pattern. And there was no momentum, and there was no reason for it to be up like 40% yesterday, or actually it was up like 60% yesterday, and there's no reason for it to be up 60%. Really, it was just, flubber nonsense, or, whatever. Stock market is manipulated, right? So if you understand the stock market is manipulated, and it can be manipulated by press releases and all that stuff, then you know what to do. So I didn't trade it yesterday. I was just like, you know what? I told my Platinum Trader members about it, and I said if it hits a certain point, I'm gonna trade it. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna trade it because I knew what was going on. So I just looked at it and I just said today, I said this is ripe for the picking. So when it opened up, it was a short position, easy short. Right? Let's roll with it. So what did we do on Vine? Well, let's come over here and you'll see what I did over here. Let me just move this screen over here. Took a short position on it. Took a short 15,000 shares. There's a profit, $6,400, $64.50 on Vine. First trade. So looking pretty good. That was the first one. Next trade up was Apple. So let's run over here to Apple. So what do we do here? We draw the box for Apple as well, right? And what does Apple do? If it opens up above the box, we take a long position. If it opens up below the box, as you can see here, we take a short position. But when Apple opened up, Apple was strong. Look at the pre-market. Look at the pre-market trend. Yesterday, Apple was strong, right? And just it's a continuation pattern for Apple today. And when Apple opened up, now remember what I say. If it opens up way above the box, if any stock opens up way above the box, you have to expect at some time it's going to come back down to earth, which is what you're seeing right now, right? So this part right here, this was a clean grab. So let's come over here. This was a clean grab. Told my guys I got the option for it. It was the it was the 14th expiry. It's 177.50 calls, right? So let's come down here. What did I send over to my guys? Just so that you see it over here. Let's move this over here. Told my guys to get the 14th of January 2022. Apple 177.50 strike calls at 75 cents. Looking for plus 30% profit. Stop losses of minus 14%. Hard stop loss on that, right? You'll see the time that I sent this out. 9:36. For me, this was a very short trade. Why was it a very short trade? I wasn't looking for the high of 97 cents. As you see, didn't hit it, right? What I did do is I got out on the high right here. The high right here is 90 cents. That's where I got out. 9:36, right? Where was the high at 90 cents? The high at 90 cents was literally 9:39, right? So this was a 3-minute trade for me. Right there on the high, right out. Top of the candle, at the top of the height, I got out. Why do I get out? Because I always teach you and I always tell you, for YouTube guys and girls, you always want to scale into and out of the high, which means you're selling into strength. You're not buying into strength. You're selling into strength for all the other bag holders, right? I saw the pattern, what was going on with Apple. I see right here, Apple's opening up strong. Look at these big fat, juicy green candles right here. And then look at the rate of change right here. And I'm saying to myself, I'm in, right? Look at this big, fat, firing wick candle, right? And that's it. You're in and you're out. 3-minute trade, that's all I need to do today, right? So that was Apple, right? Now look where it is now. It just flapped, boom, just a mess. So, let's come over here, see what I did with Apple today, right? Apple in and out, $3,000 profit on a 3-minute trade. So total for the day, $9,400. So not bad for a day trade. Intraday, momentum, options, and stock scalping trade, right? That's what you want to do. You want to be able to do either or focus on one or the other. Totally your call what you want to do, right? So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. Somewhere on the line here, up or above, you're going to see a you're going to see a link. Head on over to my site. You want to become a member of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. Love to have you. Want to train you. Want to get you in a position where you are a highly profitable, skilled trader when you have the formula, you have the foundation, you have the blueprint. This is what we offer at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. We have the skill sets. The course is intensive. It's very extensive. I'm on version 2 right now of the course. I'll probably maybe do a version 3. Not too sure yet. But this is what we do day in and day out. You don't need to be sitting by your computer day in and day out. You don't need to be sitting there. Even if you're a day trader, I get it. But you don't want to be sitting by your computer day trading. You can if you want. I mean, even if you set up your automated rules, you know what I mean? You still got to sweat it. You want to be an investor? We show you how to be an investor long term. You want to be a intraday momentum option scalper? That's my bread and butter. Show you how to sit there by the computer, wait for your opportunity. You're in and you're out. 3-minute trades, 10-minute trades, 30-minute trades, 45-minute trade. You're done for the day. Go be with your kids, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now. So head on over to the site, smash that like button, spread the video around. Let's get some more subscribers. Let's get a community. Let's build up some community here. I want to be able to help you. This is all free, by the way. I mean, I'm giving away gold here for you if you want it. Take action with it or don't take action with it. It's totally your call. I'm going to pump the videos out for as long as I can, as long as I want to, and then there'll come a point in time where you can go back chronologically and see what I do. All right. So that being said, my name's Double P. I'll see you in the profit zone. Take care, everybody. Over and out.